Today, we're delving into the intriguing realm of how employee wages and conditions of employment are determined. When an employee embarks on a role in a business, they receive payment and additional entitlements, such as working hours, duties, and various leaves including annual, sick, and parental leave. Offering competitive packages is crucial in the highly competitive labor market, aiding in attracting and retaining top-tier talent. Now let's examine the methods used to determine pay entitlements and conditions. Firstly, we have the National Minimum Wage and National Employment Standards, and they form the foundation of basic protections for Australian workers. The minimum wage sets the lowest pay rate, and the National Employment Standards outline 11 minimum conditions covering aspects like annual leave and maximum working hours. These standards are periodically reviewed by the Fair Work Commission to ensure they align with inflation and living costs. Moving on to awards, they establish the minimum wages and conditions for specific industries. With over 100 different awards covering various sectors, they provide a safety net for employees. The Fair Work Commission sets and reviews these awards every few years. Awards offer a standardized approach, reducing negotiation-related disputes, but they may lack flexibility for tailoring conditions to individual business needs. Now, let's explore agreements. An enterprise agreement, also known as an EBA, is a negotiated agreement between the employer and a group of employees. Through a process called enterprise bargaining, terms are discussed and agreed upon. Once the majority of employees approve the agreement through voting, it goes to the Fair Work Commission for final approval. The Commission ensures both parties negotiated in good faith, and the Better Off Overall test is applied to ensure employees are better off than under the industry award. In some instances, there are individual employment contracts, agreements between an employer and a single employee. These contracts must still meet the minimum requirements set by the minimum wage, national employment standards, industry award, or enterprise agreement. The benefits of agreements lie in their flexibility, allowing businesses to tailor conditions, potentially attracting and retaining high-quality employees. However, the negotiation process can be time-consuming and costly, leading to industrial action if not successful. In summary, employee wages and conditions can be determined through the minimum wage and national employment standards, industry awards, or enterprise agreements negotiated through enterprise bargaining. Each method has its advantages and considerations, contributing to the complexity of workplace relations.